YouTube Nation? It is Drew from DEO Productions, and I'm back with another video. Now, it's been a couple days since I've uploaded, so if you've forgotten about my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video and the other videos up above, so that I can keep bringing that great content to you. So today I've got a new one. It's not a new iPhone or anything like that, and I am known for being an Apple fan. I do like Apple products. I own an Apple Watch as well as an iPhone. But I do respect all phones, whether they are Android, whether they are Samsung, whether they are Google, Apple, all phones, all alike. It is great to have the amount of phones out on the market as we do, and this one is particularly good. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now there are two variants of this. There's the regular Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Both very, very good devices in my mind, and probably really the king when it comes to smartphones. It's certainly the king when it comes to Android phones and Samsung phones, and it actually will compete, if not beat iPhone, on a lot of specifications as well as performance. So without further ado, let's unbox this and get to some of the review portions of this. I am looking forward to unboxing this, and let's go ahead and start with the outside of the box. So on the back, you're getting the Galaxy S9 Plus and the package contents, which of course you get a pre-installed SIM card, wallet, USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector. This is typical unboxing stuff that you're going to be getting. Fit and presentation of the device is really good. You get a cardboard sleeve over the top of the actual device itself, which has this nice blue shiny S9 Plus emblem on the front. You get the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is the 64 gig version. Now this does come in a couple different storage configurations, 64, 128, and 256, as well as 4 different color options. It comes in this particular color, which is coral blue, midnight black, lilac purple, or that silver, which is actually titanium gray. Now those prices are going to come in at $839, $889, and $939 respectively for their storage configurations, which is getting a lot closer to that $1,000 mark, and I do not doubt the phones will be there in the future. Around the outside of the box, you get your color choice right there. You get the phone that it is. Of course, we told you about that. Really nice look. Probably not as premium as Apple, but I'm an Apple fanboy, so I have to say Apple's better in unboxings. Now when you take this cute little cardboard sleeve off that has all the specs on it, you're presented with another box that just has Samsung on the front, black all the way around. You get a QR code here, and then you get your proof of purchase as well as your ICC-ID, the SIM SKU, and things like that. Alright, to open the box, it's not a magnetic hinge or anything like that. It does have a cute little arrow that points down. You just got to pull it open. It's just a tab. No magnetic latches or anything, but pretty heavy-duty construction on the box. Really nice. And gone are the days where you're presented the device itself. On the actual inside of the box, you get the actual paperwork first with that Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus presented to you. You have to take that out, and let me show you what you get before we take the actual device itself out. So in here you're going to get a SIM removal tool, and you're going to get a Meet Your Phone, as well as terms and condition and important consumer safety information on the inside of the box. From what I see, you're not getting any stickers. This is the first Galaxy S9 I've unboxed, and it's the second in the last 4 years of Samsung devices I've unboxed, period. So you're not getting stickers in this. Of course, this is going to be a quick setup guide. Most phones have these terms and conditions, a bunch of stuff you don't really need. Of course, you get that SIM removal tool as well. So going back to the actual box itself, deeper in the box is the actual phone itself. I will pull that out. It's got a little tab here to the side that you can just pull off. I will actually take this phone out, and I am ready for this. You get another piece of cardboard. You get your standard Samsung charger here. Of course, this is going to support fast charge and USB-C. You get your standard USB Type-A port there on the side for your wall outlet. You get a USB-A to USB-C connector in here as well. And then digging further into the box, you get those Samsung stereo headphones, and those are by AKG now, and we'll go ahead and review those as well in just a moment. You also are getting your Samsung Type USB Type A to C cable. Obviously, this is going to be plug one into the phone, plug one into the brick for charging. And that's all you get in terms of what's in the box. Of course, that little piece of cardboard is removable, and then you have the box itself. Pretty good unboxing experience, not bad. I do like Samsung's unboxings. Probably, again, not as premium or as flashy, I think, as Apple's, but really good overall. Let's go ahead and review these headphones real quick. Of course, these are AKG. These are going to be in every Samsung device. You're going to get different ear tips here. Really nice if they include those. It's starting to get premium. Of course, I really wish Apple would include those in the unboxing experience. You're getting pretty premium headphones for what you pay for. So you're getting a very high grade headphone. Of course, this phone does still have the headphone port, the 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's saying something, and I don't think they'll go away from it as long as they can avoid it. Of course, this is not a review of these, but they are very premium feeling devices. You're going to get your volume controls and your mic controls down here, and it's a very nice shielded cable at the bottom. Of course, that 3.5mm headphone jack with a rubber tip on the end. These are very premium feeling devices, and these themselves could be the reason you pay that extra $50 to $100 for this device. So let's go ahead and get to the device itself. This is an absolute beauty. Let's take a view of the front of the device itself and peel that plastic off. And we'll peel the back off now as well. And the first thing you notice on the back is that mirror finish of that coral blue. This is a beautiful color. So is the titanium gray, as well as the midnight black. But this color probably pops the best. Of course, you're going to get your Galaxy S9 logo down here. You're going to get some FCID and the CE information here on the bottom embedded under the glass. Of course, you got glass in the front and the back with that metal stainless steel design. You're going to get your fingerprint sensor, which was previously located next to the cameras, is now under the cameras. You're going to get that dual camera setup. You're going to get your Samsung's logo right there in the middle, and you're going to get your flash and sensors right there. On the top, you're going to get your SD card slots. You're going to get a microphone. You're going to have your power and wake button here. On the bottom, you're going to have that mono speaker, which is not all that great. It is loud, but it's not all that great. You are going to have USB-C type charging here, 3.5mm headphone jack here, and you're going to have the Bixby button and the power up and down buttons. So that's really it on the outside of the device. Of course, you get your antenna bands shaded in just a different color than the actual metal around the device itself. Of course, this is an absolute beautiful color. Now on the front, you're going to get that forehead and that chin bezel. Of course, there is no fingerprint sensor here on the front, but it is going to have all the sensors up here where the mic is and the retina scanner, and all of those are for facial recognition and things like that for the unlocking of the phone. Now, of course, this screen is 6.2 inches wide, and it is one of the biggest displays on a phone, but does not feel that big because of that massive screen to body ratio. This is a very good feeling phone in the hands, and when I picked up the actual Galaxy S8 as well as the S9, I was kind of impressed with how good this felt in the hands, how slim, how sleek, and how light it actually is for the design that you get. You're talking about a 6.2 inch display here that really fits nicely in the hand, fits nicely in the pocket, and is overall an excellent design. Of course, you're going to get that 6.2 inch Super AMOLED HD display, which comes in at 2960 by 1440. That is 529 pixels per inch. Now, of course, this display is absolutely gorgeous. It's got that AMOLED technology, which is going to support deeper colors and more rich and vibrant colors. The blacks are going to be blacker. The yellows and reds and greens are going to be much deeper in saturation. Of course, I've let it known that I think it can be cartoonish at times, but overall really, really good, really nice screen. So the specs on this are rather impressive. You're getting 6 gigs of RAM, you're getting a 6.2 inch HD AMOLED display, you are getting a Exynos 9810 octa-core processor. You're also getting a 3500 milliamp battery. Overall fit and finish of this device is great. This feels unbelievable. It is great in the hands. It feels really, really nice. It looks absolutely beautiful. Fingerprint sensor could be in a better location. It probably could be moved a little bit lower or something like that, or embedded under the screen, but that'll be future technology to come. Although even if you reach down here below, you could still end up hitting the cameras, and I'm not a huge fan of that. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you guys so that you can get a feel for this device. This is an absolute beautiful, and I mean beautiful device. This is going to be one of the best performing phones on the market today, and if money is no object, I will get the biggest storage configuration you can in the color that you like. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another unboxing from DEO Productions, Drew Offinger. Of course, hit subscribe, hit like, check the videos out from above and check in for further reviews that are coming up.